Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your computer's display port and the monitor's VGA jack match the adapter type. You need an active adapter if the GPU only outputs native DP signals. Active adapters convert digital to analog. Once confirmed, power off both devices to avoid hot plug detection issues and plug the adapter into the display port firmly. Make sure the locking tab clicks if present, then attach the short VGA cable to the adapter so the monitor end stays accessible for the next steps. Once the adapter and VGA cable are physically connected, power the monitor first and then the computer to let edited negotiations settle correctly. If the adapter requires external power, plug its USB or barrel connector before the PC boots so the converter initializes. Next, use the monitor's input selection to choose VGA. This forces the screen to accept the analog signal. If the image looks off, set the output resolution on your computer to a common analog-friendly mode like 1024. Finish by tightening the VGA thumb screws so the connector stays stable, then confirm you have a clear, steady image. If you see no signal, reseat the DisplayPort adapter and VGA cable, swap the VGA cable, or try another monitor to isolate the fault. Make sure your graphics drivers are current and set the display mode in the OS to duplicate or extend as needed. If the image is absent or distorted, replace a passive adapter with an active one. This resolves most DP to VGA conversion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.